What is up, guys? It's Shamir with y'all from Opportunity Collectibles, and I got the Revolutional WNBA debut edition. You're gonna find, well, it says we're gonna find one autograph, 8 inserts, 8 parallels. There are 8 packs, 5 cards per pack. It also says look for the ultra rare galactic parallel. That'd be dope if we can pull this today. And then you got what's that? Ryan Howard and Renee Howard, I believe. If I said her name wrong. And then basically on the back it just says different. So yeah, the galactic, dang, autographs 1/90, and then 9 base cards are included, approximately 2 every pack. Oh yeah, gotta open this bag. Gotta open this one up. Only got one of these, but I definitely want to get more of these. So let's open this up. Cool. Got it rolling. Oh. This is from Panini. Oh yeah. Can't wait to open this one up. So what we got here? I don't know how you should open it. Jesus. I guess yeah, I should open it from the bottom. Open it from the bottom. Yep, looks like opening it from the bottom is the way to do it. And alright, just got those packs right there. Keep this one for a souvenir. I didn't know how this was in there. Oh, I think it was in there like this. Something like that. And then I'm gonna keep this as a souvenir over here. Alright, got the packs here. Time to throw the gloves on. Let's see what I get to pull. This thing's pretty bright. Make sure the resolution's fine on it or whatever. Yeah, let's get into it. Wonder which one's gonna be the autograph one. See what we got. Y'all drop in the comments what y'all think the autograph card will be. Who shall it be? This one's, they sealed tight. Take one of these gloves off. If they got a tight seal on them. Let's do this. We got these tight seals. Take a little snip of the back. Yep, there you go. Throw this glove back on. That's what I'll probably have to do for them. And then I'm gonna slide that out. Oh, got something nice on there. I think I like these ones. These are pretty dope. So let's see. When they get on the table, a little tricky of getting up, so I use these to flip them up. And whoa, look at those. So we got Lauren Jackson, looks like Got full up on data here. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Yep, got full up on data. Hold on, at the pause. All right, I'm back. Got the data situation set up. And now I can take a look at these cards here. So where I left off is I got Lauren Jackson here. Oh, wrong side of the glove. And it looks like it's like a bronze like coloring. These are really cool cards. Really excited to see how these do up, getting them graded. So as you can see, the shimmer, right? Got Lauren Jackson. Show you what the back looks like. See that there's a line in the back of it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like a little line going down there. I wonder if that's an error or if they're all like that. Could be an error card. So put that there. We got Jones here. So let's take a look at the back of her card and see if that's the same. So no, that is not the same. Wonder if that one's just damaged or if it's an error card. All right, we got Sue Bird. Look at that, Sue Bird. Related to Larry Bird, or I don't know. Oh, we got something shiny back there. And whoa, we got there. What we got? Vortex. Her name is Griffith. My last name is Griffin. So we got Griffith here, Yolanda Griffith. Vortex card. This is like almost kind of like a cracked ice or something going on. Oh, and we got Diana Taurasi. It's a supernova card. Whoa. Gotta look up the... Oh, 16 out of 50. Whoa, that's getting graded. Slide that right over to the side. And it's a supernova card. I want to look at the backs of this box to see how the supernova cards stack up. And you know, as I'm looking at it here, the supernova, so there's the, so let me see what we got here. So it looks like there's the supernova fractal or galactic, and then there's the supernova cubic, number to 50. So that's not a number to 50. So I wonder if this is the galactic one we're supposed to be looking for, and it's a supernova. Whoa, definitely getting those graded. So let's put that to the side. Oh, dropping stuff back here, guys. Technical error. All right, cool. So supernova card, we got a 16 out of 50. We lift this up. So those two are going to the side to get graded. And let's get on to the next pack. I wonder if this one's going to give me an issue too. Might have to cut it. Yep, just do a slight cut. We'll work off there. I'll have to make another cut there. Make a cut to the back. Yeah, there you go. Pull these gloves up. All right. Well, you already see who we got on the back. Let's see what we got. See what we're rocking with. Oh, we got Brianna Stewart. I'm gonna put her to the side because I might want to get this one graded. I'm trying to do a bunch of Brianna Stewart cards. So that's gonna go to the side. Who we got here? We got Wallace. These are some sick cards. What do y'all think? These are some dope cards. Got a Wallace card. Stack that over there. Who we got here? Oh, got Brittany. Oh, not the Brittany I was looking for, but hey. Let's check and see. Put that over there. I don't think any damage is done. Oh, okay. Got a Revolutional. Right, look, it's a little line like down the side of it. So I guess that is an error. It's gold too. So we got Cloud. And let's see what the card is. Let's already know what the card is. So it's not a numbered card, but there is a line there. So put that there. And oh, all right, look at that, gold as well. It's a rookie card, first one that we pulled, hang with the jersey, and it's no numbers card, but that's gonna go to the side. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's open this up. All right, got the next one. All right, we got Becky. Got Becky here. Slide that over. No damages to the back. We got Chelsea Gray. Oh, looks like we pulled a rookie card here. Let me just check back on these to see if we pulled any other rookies. No, that's the only rookie, second rookie card that we pulled. Slide it up. So definitely got to check out this rookie one. It's like a red and, well, the other one was just like that, but we got Queen. She's the rookie. And I'm going to try to slide that and flip it over. So put that one to the side. And, oh, what we got here? We got Wallace, or Walker, I meant. That's a sick card. And, oh, we got another Supernova. Whoa. Brianna Stewart. I was just talking about getting hers graded. Oh, look at this. We got 92 out of 99. Less than 100 of these in existence. That's going over there to get graded. And then out of the Supernova card, it's no numbered card, but that is awesome. That's going over there. So that is crazy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just sell like a bunch of different like Brianna Stewart cards together. All right, what we got now? We got Lavender. Her last name is Lavender. That's pretty sick. Slide that down there. Got another card from Aces. Hamby. Sterling's Hamby or Hamby. We just put another Cloud card, but I think the one that we had before was a numbered. It was a 16 to 50. Stack that over there. Oh, look at that. Pulled another rookie one. So I think I should get both of those graded and sell it as a set. Yeah, look at that one. And it's green rookie. What we got behind this one? If I can get it. Oh, we got another super. Oh, Vortex. Yeah, so definitely getting that one graded with those sets. And then now we got Catchings last name, Vortex Revolution. I don't know what the Vortex cards were on the back of that. Let me see what the rarity was of that. So let's see. So the Vortex, there's two different ones. Looks like we've been getting the first set of them, which is Vortex Galactics ones. Sick. Alright. Definitely need to get another pack of these. Haven't pulled the autograph card yet, but it says find 8 inserts and 8 parallels. So let's get it. gonna be fun to say which one we pull. That's the autograph. Got something back there. We got Han. Got a blue card back there. Got Han. We got Brianna Turner. We got Tiffany. Oh, about to pull the whatever card is here. Oh, we got like some kind of die cut. I'm trying to, oh, pull the rookie. But there's some kind of die cut card back there. So this one is Bell. And, oh, look at that one. 78 out of 149. Got another number card. So it's 3 number cards. Definitely getting those graded. And then we got Jones here with the lift off. It's like a die cut. Revolutions. Definitely getting that graded. Let's go right over to that pile. I think so far I got about 49 cards that are definite grade out of the set. The other ones are definitely getting graded too out of the like 100 that I found so far that I pulled. But I'm just getting them graded differently and in different sets. So we got Whitcomb. What we got here? We got Carrington, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Cooper. And let's see what the next one is. Oh, look at that. Got Han. There's a gold. And then what's behind this? Oh, we got something there. So I'm moving that gold Hans card over here. But this one, we have a Shockwave with Erica Wheeler. Definitely getting that graded. Look at that. That's sick. Got a red back. That's hot. All right, put that there. Got 2 more packs. We got to pull that. We have to pull that signature card. So we got Atkins. Pulled another rookie card. Got Burrell. So I should be saying it. So we're gonna put that rookie card to the side. We got a Howard. Let me slide that. Howard. See what we pulled. Oh. We got another Cooper. Definitely getting them graded as a set and putting them together. And we pulled a Vortex Pondex. And look at this one. This is a number 26 out of 75. So that's definitely getting graded. And then with this Revolution card, it's no numbered, but getting the Vortex cards graded. And the signature card has to be in this pack. This is the last one. Has to be in this one. It says final autograph. I don't know if it's guaranteed. It just says find one. So let's see if we can find it. Got another Erica. We got Williams. Oh, we got a card flipped backwards. It's a Brianna Stewart's. What's up with that? What's happening? What's going on? Oh! Autographed. What? Y'all saw it. I pulled it. Brianna Stewart's autograph. I said I was trying to make a set of cards that I'm going to get all her cards graded, and now that's going in with that set. Y'all, what? Oh, that's going right there, getting sleeved up. Absolutely. And we got Turner with another Supernova card. So putting that there. And the other Supernova is Laney. And it's not a numbers card. Well, y'all seen it. I pulled the signature card. That's going to be a beautiful collection to the Breonna Stewarts. Look at that. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Definitely smash that like button, subscribe, and let's see what we're going to pull on the next one. Time to punch out and get these sleeved up. Catch you.